Imagine, if you will, a world where you are adventuring and you are lost in the desert. Your food ran out 4 days ago. Your water ran out 2 days ago. You've been drinking your own urine to survive. Bob, your trusted companion, you ate him 2 days ago. The situation is desperate. You've been wandering around in circles, no way of knowing how to get out. You know that the way to salvation lies north, but what can you do? And then you remember, you have in your bags your trusty Meccano electric kit, and you know that E4 is the compass. Suddenly, a ray of hope. Can we get out of this? Meccano, can you save us? These are the parts that you need for this build, the electric kit E4 compass. The only thing that you might want to be aware of is that this particular part here, which is number 545, the pivot bolt. Took me a little bit of finding. You need it because it's got this little indent at the end of the bolt, presumably so it can balance on this. It's there, look, and it's got to balance on the end of there. So that's presumably to help it rest and balance there. And it just took me a little bit of finding amidst the other screws. Was almost thinking that I might have not have it, but did turn up, so just be aware of that if you do come to build this. Can we escape from this desert we find ourselves in? Just for demonstration purposes. North in this house is, according to this compass, I'm sure, north is approximately there. So let's see where this tells us that north is. No, that's not right. We are... I'm guessing the card should probably... Yeah, stupid Andrew. The card should be aligned along the magnets. North should be aligned with the... North should be aligned with the red pole, according to the diagram. So try again. Can we escape the clutches of this desert? Oh, my compass up above it doesn't like the magnet being somewhere below it. Let's move that out of the way so it's not being pulled by that magnet. And I would say they're pointing in approximately the right direction with each other. Don't know how good this compass is. It's a cheap one from eBay. So I don't know how good this compass is. It's a cheap thing off of eBay. But you can see the lines are not perfectly aligned. But, well, I don't know, maybe you're escaping, maybe you're not. Let's see how that goes. It does realign just to show that there is some sort of effect being done. If you spin it round, stop it randomly, spin it round, it does find a definite direction. It's not just rotating randomly, it's trying to find somewhere. And that, actually, this time round, that is quite a lot more in line with what the compass is showing. So I'll take that as a success at this point. So yeah, jolly good. The Electric E4 compass. We're going to escape the desert. Good stuff.